Instant benefit memory gain. You can start sharpening your memory in the next 7 minutes with one simple game you can play at your kitchen table. If you do not know this easy routine, you might be letting your brain slow down year after year without noticing. Many people over 60 find that just a few minutes of the right kind of game each day helps them remember names, appointments, and where they put their keys. Clear promise benefits. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to play a short daily memory game that may help protect your recall over the next 12 months. You will see how many seniors use this to remember shopping lists, birthdays, and important dates without sticky notes all over the house. You will also learn how little as 5 to 10 minutes a day can make your brain feel more awake and focused. Forgetfulness pain points. Forgetting a name 30 seconds after you hear it, walking into a room and not knowing why, or missing a bill because you put it in the wrong pile can be scary after 60. If you ignore these small slips, they may slowly turn into bigger problems that cost you money, strain relationships, and steal your independence. Normal versus concerning memory. Misplacing your glasses once in a while is normal, but forgetting important steps in a daily task you have done for 20 years may be a warning sign worth discussing with a doctor. If you do not pay attention to these patterns now, you might wait 5 or even 10 years before getting support that could have helped earlier. First memory game intro. Now here is where it gets really important. This first game is so simple that most people ignore it, but that is a big mistake. If you skip this, you might miss a tool that could keep your memory sharper for the next 3 to 5 years with just a few minutes a day. Step-by-step memory list game. Look at your list for 60 seconds, then cover it and try to say or write as many items as you can remember without looking. If you do not challenge yourself to beat your own score by at least one item every few days, your brain may stay in lazy mode and miss out on the benefits of real practice. Midpoint quiz engagement. Quick question for you. In your normal day, what do you forget most? Names, appointments, or where you put things? If you do not know your biggest weak spot, you might waste time on the wrong kind of brain exercise and see little change. Type your answer in the comments so you lock it into your mind and so I can create more videos to help you. Second memory game. Names, faces. This next game focuses on names and faces, which many people over 60 say is their #1 fear as they age. If you do not train this skill now, you might find yourself avoiding social events in 2 to 3 years because the embarrassment feels too heavy. Daily routine and progress. Most people try a game once or twice, do not see magic overnight, and then quit, and that is where they lose years of potential brain benefit. If you simply repeat these 2 games for 5 to 10 minutes a day, at least 5 days a week, you may notice better recall within 30 to 60 days. Real-world examples. Evidence. Some retirees report that after a few months of daily memory games, they stopped double paying bills, missing dental appointments, or forgetting medication as often. Others say they feel more confident joining card games, book clubs, or volunteer work because they remember more details from conversations. Common mistakes to avoid. If you rush through the games, skip days, or do them while half watching TV, you might be wasting 10 minutes a day without real improvement. Many people also make the mistake of doing the exact same list for months, which stops challenging the brain and turns into mindless repetition.